What's up? Welcome back. My name is Kayla. My sign name is Kayla. And today we're going to be talking about, how you can communicate with deaf people or hard of hearing people. There's many different ways. I'm not going to say one way works for every person because there's a lot of different opinions on how is most effective to talk to a deaf or hard of hearing person. So personally, this is for me. I like when people are facing me and I can read their lips. Reading lips for me is really important. Closed captions are really important, but I like when their face is facing me. They're not to the side talking into the ether. But yeah, if you're talking to someone who's fully deaf, don't make up signs. Sometimes you can communicate on your phone or they can lip read. Probably asking them on your phone is the best way to see how they want to communicate.